So the Highland Trail is just about covered with poison ivy, and so I am spraying this with a combination of vinegar, Dawn, and salt. We'll come back later and see what kind of impact it had. A little bit rainy today, so kind of makes me wonder what kind of, hear that? What kind of impact we'll have. I mean, look right in here, this little bend in the Highland Trail. Just about overgrown right there. So after the first spray of salt, vinegar, and Dawn, got a little wilting, a little bit here and there, a little bit of yellowing. I will say nothing super dramatic though. We'll see along the way. This will be my second application in 3 days. We'll see if it has kind of a cumulative effect. So I just laid down another salt, vinegar, and Dawn solution. Possibly the first round didn't hold very well because we've had rain, afternoon rains almost every day. For day 5, spray 3, I am spraying vinegar, salt, and Dawn on a trail that I have created. I call it the Highland Trail, and it goes from about this bend in the upper trail to this meadow here. There's lots of poison ivy on this trail, and I'm trying to make this a little bit more user-friendly. Telling you, this mosquitoes are pretty bad down here. Poison ivy's kind of showing some distress, and the Virginia creeper, even though that's not really my target. This is day 5. This is after the second spray, so kind of noticing some consistent yellowing, but man, we're not getting much consistent damage to the poison ivy yet. So I'm gonna give this maybe a few more doses, see if it'll happen. Kind of a natural herbicide, salt and vinegar, a little bit of Dawn to help it stick to the leaves. We'll see if it works. In the meantime, I'm dodging mosquitoes. This is one of the entrances to the Highland Trail. This was completely covered with poison ivy. 3 applications followed by torrential rains from Hurricane Barry, and we got really nice defoliation.